I received this yarn holder free to try. It comes in a nice little box. It's quite thin. And these are all the accessories. This is such a cute paper wrapped in. Instructions with 2 options. It comes with its nice little tool here, and this is where the straps will go on top. So there, go tight. And then on the bottom, when you go through the bottom of the holder, here you have 2 options. One is the plastic here clip, and it's actually very comfortable when you have to put your yarn really in and out really fast. But if you have a yarn that this will not catch on, you can definitely use the metal stopper. You just open it. It's like little earring. So you put it here. And there it is. This is how it goes. And then you can hang your straps. So here is my yarn. This is how I'm gonna use it with the strap. It goes around my wrist. I'm ready to crochet. Now the long strap here.